Hello viewers, and welcome back to Cooking and DIY, where we cook delicious meals and we do simple jobs around the house, avoiding the need for a tradesman. Now today I'm going to show you how to do a delicious oven baked chicken recipe. Now make sure you watch the video from start to finish. This is a request from one of my loyal subscribers. Thank you very much. Now if this is your first time watching any of my videos, I'd appreciate if you could give me a like, leave a positive comment and subscribe. Now let's go straight into the video. So this is my chicken. It has been cleaned and I'm gonna season the chicken now. I'm not gonna cook it until in a couple days time. As I always say, the quality of your meals is in the preparation. So firstly, this is some extra virgin olive oil. Just gonna add a bit of olive oil in this. Yeah, that's enough. Here, this is some dry jerk seasoning, then powder to this, or dry jerk seasoning, whatever you want to call it. So here I have some smoked paprika, ground ginger. Also I'm gonna add some cayenne pepper, some jerk seasoning paste. So yeah, this is the jerk seasoning paste. Lastly, this is some green jerk seasoning paste. This is homemade. This is my own recipe that I've created. In addition, this is some browning. This is like a food coloring. So I'm just gonna add a small amount. And finally, this is some vegetables, onions, bell peppers, pointed peppers, spring onions, thyme, some green chilies and all of that. So I'm gonna add this to it as well. So all of the vegetables I've added to the chicken here. It has two purposes, two important purposes. It will provide moisture to the chicken while it is being baked, and also that nice flavor. So this is now finished, and I'm gonna wrap it up, put it in the fridge, and like I said, in a couple of days time I'll cook it. 2 days on since I've seasoned up the chicken, I've transferred it from the bowl to this tray, and my oven is already on. So what I'm gonna do, for start, I'm gonna put some foil paper across the tray for maybe an hour. I'm gonna take it off or remove the foil and just let the chicken get some nice color. Alright, so this is all done. This is now in the oven. I've set it at 205 degrees Celsius. Just gonna close it up now and just leave it for maybe about an hour, 10 minutes. And after that, I'll remove the foil. So here's my baked chicken. I've just removed the foil. So I'm just gonna allow this to get some color now, and this will all be ready. So I'm just gonna add some sauce to this baked chicken. Look at it, just adding some sauce right over it, and this will keep it nice and warm and moist as well. Right, so look at that, look how delicious it looks. Thank you very much for watching. I do appreciate your support. Please give me a like, leave a positive comment, and hit that subscribe button. Never miss our next video. Goodbye.